Hello?
Namaste, ma'am.
Yes. I sent some question answer today morning. I think. Did you
Yes,
see
ma'am.
that? So
Yes, ma'am.
we are getting free time. Write and file it. Meaning, the after chapter finish, I will give. That is good. We can no need a full meaning. Selected meaning enough. Okay, 1 second. No need full meaning. You can study that full. Huh? Question answer anyway, whatever I am giving, small question answer I am giving, long question answer also will give. Now we are using multiple choice exams, that's why I am giving more one word questions.
Ma'am,
Yes.
so
Prarthana.
we have to leave the space for writing meanings.
Writing?
Ma'am, you said that afterwards you will give the meaning, right? So we have to leave the space for writing meaning.
No need Prarthana, you write it down. No
Okay,
problem.
ma'am.
First you in the notes you write first question answer. Last we can write meaning. So
Okay.
not like that.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, did you give third question answer?
Third question answer.
Did you give that?
Which mole? Third question answer. That I gave some question answer. Not from textbook question answer. That we didn't start. I gave total 6. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Third means are you? I didn't give from textbook questions answer. I didn't give. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Who told that? Tamanna, mole. The
Ma'am.
question textbook backside question answer we didn't start. Eh?
Ma'am.
What is your doubt, Tamanna? Tamanna?
Ma'am, you gave 6 question answer, right?
Yes, I gave 6 question answer. In between the chapter. Whatever chapter portion finish, up to there I gave some question answer.
I didn't attend last class, so I wrote it's 2 answers.
Yes. I sent through WhatsApp today morning.
Okay, ma'am.
You check WhatsApp. We'll get. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So when you are getting free time, you file it that, right hand file it that. Meaning after the chapter will finish, I will give selected meaning. It's no need full meaning. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. I think that question answer, no, did you read that? No, it's okay, you leave it, that we'll discuss. Now we can continue chapter before, after that, again, we can. So, last chapter, last class, page number 121 गवरा ने एक कहानी सुना. क्या है? एक पागल आदमी को, एक पागल बावरा था, उसको एक चाबुन मिल गया. चाबुन मीनिंग और वन लेदर स्ट्रैप. चाबुन मिल गया. अब वह पैराग्राफिന്റെ मीनिंग आई एम सेइंग. ओके, पैराग्राफ मीनिंग टुगेदर. चाबुन मीनिंग लेदर स्ट्रैप मिल गया. अब वह सोचने लगा कि चाबुक तो मिल गया, घोड़ा लेगा. लेगा मीनिंग हाल्टर ना, फेस ट्रैप, घोड़े की फेस ट्रैप. क्लियर? लगाम. जीन मीनिंग सीट. भी कहीं न कहीं से मिल गई है. ही एक्सपेक्टिंग ही विल गेट दैट 3 थिंग्स ऑल्सो. क्लियर? यस. सारी उम्र, फुल लाइफ लॉन्ग. सारी उम्र फुल लाइफ लॉन्ग वही यह सोचकर रहा था. ही इज ए मैड मैन. दैट्स व्हाई. सो गवरिया ने कहा इसी तरह.
In the text, the sari umra, that sentence is not there.
It is there, Mola. Yes, I will read that one. Where? Yes, it's good. The Bavara ta umr.
Ma'am, it is there.
Ta umr mat Jeevan bar.
One
Okay.
can say in which line?
Huh?
Can you say in which line?
Page number 121 a story le good sawar
Yes,
ka sorry इसमें 1 2 3 4 5 6th line le last one बाबरा ता उम्र एक रेड़ता रहा बाकी बचा 3 घोड़ा लगाम जीन ईशा clear
No, ma'am, in my textbook it is after Teen Goda Lagam Jean. After
before that line
Ma'am,
सब
8th line.
बंदा छोड़ बाबरा
yes, ma'am. Ta Umr. Okay.
हाँ ईशा कुटिए हाँ
Yes,
read
ma'am, I
properly
got it.
text yes then इसी तरह गुड that भाव के सरक सारी उम्र जीवन लाइफ फुल वाकई यही सोचता रहा इसी प्रकार ये गवरिया रुई के फाहे से टोपी बनाने का सफर भी बहुत लंबा है उसे एक विचार त्याग देना चाहिए he advising to show your wish clear now only क्या मिला गवरिया को now got only क्या yes Rui only got Rui okay how can make a topi he's advising next continue yes next one तुझे कुछ आता पता है next one बस see this one page number 121 a big paragraph after next paragraph बस देखते जाओ clear now
Yes, ma'am.
huh? yes बस देखते जाओ अब कैसे बनती है टोपी हाउ कैन मेक टोपी गवरिया रुई का फाहा लिए एक दुनिया के पास चली गई किसके पास चली गई एक किसके पास चली गई
दुनिया
दुनिया के पास चली गई यू अंडर राइट दैट ऑल वर्ड किसके पास दुनिया नेक्स्ट कोरी बुनवर कमी
Ma'am, what is the meaning of Dunia?
यस
Dunia meaning.
दुनिया 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 के दुनिया दैट मीन
carder of
कार्डर
What, ma'am?
कार्डर कॉटन कार्डर अല്ലേ see that picture कार्डर മോളെ
Yes, ma'am.
CARDER clear
Yes, ma'am.
yes okay yes there किसके पास चली गई पहला दुनिया के पास चली गई दुनिया के पास चली गई 1 second അത് already we gave first time I gave that PPT it is there okay carder of cotton did you write there yes or no
Yes, ma'am.
yes दुनिया के पास गई what he told गवरिया रुई का फाहा लिए एक दुनिया के पास चली और बड़े मनुहार से बोली मनुहार मीनिंग प्रार्थना मनुहार मीनिंग प्रार्थना मनुहार से बोली बड़े मनोहर से बोली दुनिया भैया इस रुई के फाहे को धुन दो रुई के फाहे मीनिंग कॉटन लिंड टू कट लिंड थ्रेड विल मेक थ्रेड्स धुन दो मीनिंग टू कट कॉटन will do no cut cotton yes that is फाहे को धुन दो दुनिया बेचारा भूठा दा दुनिया बेचारा मीनिंग हेल्पलेस बेचारा हेल्पलेस बूढ़ा मीनिंग ओल्ड मैन जाड़े का मौसम था क्लाइमेट वेरी कोल्ड जाड़े मीनिंग कोल्ड मौसम क्लाइमेट उसके तन मीनिंग बॉडी वर्षों पुरानी ओल्ड वर्षों पुरानी तार हो चुकी Tar tarko chugi. That one word amakle. Tar tarko chugi meaning wired cloth nanu. Wired cloth meaning whatever he's wearing. He's wear the one jacket. That full tear. Only wire. Only that which one? Wired meaning a thread. Only thread. Not that cloth. Like that old. Did you understand? Full tear. Only thread is there. He's wear one dress, but we can see only thread. That much Purani. Abo tar tarko chuki. Tar tarko chuki meaning to separate every thread. Means wired cloth na paraya. Wired cloth. Chuki. Ek mirchai. Mirchai meaning jacket. Mirchai one coat. Mirchai. Padi hui. He wear like that dress. Wah kambte huye bola. Kambna meaning shiver. It's very cold. That's why. Tu jati hai ki nahi. You go or not. Dekhti nahi. You can see. He's very angry. So told tu jati hai ki nahi. Dekhti nahi. You can see this one. Abhi now mujhe Raja ji ke liye rajai banani hai. Underline question answer ana. Question answer. Yes. मुझे राजा जी के लिए. राजा जी meaning राजा. रजाई meaning blanket. रजाई. बनानी making. रजाई बनानी है. रजाई meaning blanket. Yes. Isha, what is your doubt, Mola?
No, ma'am, I got it.
Next. एक तो यहाँ का राजा ऐसा है. Our king is like that. How? Our राजा's character ऐसा है. जो चाम का दाम चलता है. जो चाम का दाम चलता है. जो चाम का दाम. Charm. What is the meaning? Charm meaning a mission. Cardar to cotton that mission mokali. That is charm. Charm ka dam. Dam meaning cost. Dam meaning cost. Charm meaning cost. जो चाम का दाम चलाता है means who will give wage salary. See, ये दुनिया राजा के लिए काम करता है now, but this राजा didn't give salary to him. Clear now? That is their character. ये बेचारा दुनिया राजा के लिए काम करता है, उसको उचित वेतन नहीं मिला. राजा didn't give that. इसलिए उसने कहा जो चाम का दाम चलता है. जो meaning who, चाम meaning this mission का दाम meaning price चलता है. Who give this, who give to me salary. Clear? Yes. ऊपर से तू आ गई. You came from up. फोकट की रुई दुनवाने. फोकट meaning free. Without salary, without wage. Focket की दूरी दुनवाने के लिए. You also reach here for making job without salary. How I can do my work? I am राजा के लिए काम करता है, but I didn't get salary. You also came. This is same matter. How I can do work. Clear? Next one. Focket meaning free. Uch inna karo bhaiya. Ujrina, don't think like that. Who told it? Gavriya told. Uch inna karo bhaiya. Right. Don't think like that. गैवरिया बोली. यस. मेम तुम्हें पूरी Ujarat. Puri Ujarat meaning full labor charge. Mazduri. You read, study that word. Mazduri. Mazduri or Majduri. We need that word. Mazduri. Mazduri meaning labor charge. Yes.
Ujrat meaning right, labor charge.
Huh?
Ujrat meaning right, labor charge.
Other which word as you like, you select, no problem. Isha, Ujrat also take, no problem. Huh? So Mazdur meaning labor, Mazduri labor, Majuri also labor. Which word easy word? So okay, you take Ujrat also take, no problem. Clear? Isha?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. क्या कहा? गवरिया ने कहा मैं तुम्हें पूरी उजरत दूंगी. I will give full labor charge. And क्या labor के स्थान में क्या दिया? इसे दुन दो. First you cut the cotton. आधा तू ले लो. You take that half portion. Clear now? आधा meaning half. तू ले लो. आधा मैं ले लूंगी. Half you take. After that, half I will take. Correct, no? Yes. Next one. इसलिए he told, Ujra na karo bhaiya. You don't think like that. I am not like Raja. Raja didn't give salary, but I am ready to give salary. Clear? Next one. दुनिया को अपनी जिंदगी में दुनिया को अपनी जिंदगी में लाइफ में आज तक up to today इतनी गरीब मजूरी again read that मजूरी meaning labor charge मजूरी also मजूरी Isha again came that word. Did you see that one mole?
Yes,
First
ma'am.
they
Ma'am, what is-
Ujarat repeated, next one Majuri. Clear?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, what is ghari?
Mole what? Gari meaning good. Good salary. Yes. Kari Majuri Kabhi na mili thi. He didn't get like this salary before that in his life. First time usne ye Majuri mila. Yes. Solak, he's thinking. Solak meaning 16, 16. Ana meaning rupee. Ane mean 8 ane. Total 16 rupees ane. 8 ane, 8 ane. Majuri, labor charge. Majuri to. Iske liye sapna di. There is only sapna. Sapnangalil matram. Like that. Anyway, he didn't get that much salary. Yes. इसके लिए सपना दी. वह झट मीनिंग जल्दी. झट तैयार हो गया. And okay. Gar. What is that? One sound on. Our mission started. He's very happy. He got salary nice. Then he's very happy. He present हुआ. उसने started that mission. Sound. Gar. उसकी तांती बेच उड़ी. तांती meaning our tools. Tool on our missions. बेच उड़ी. Rank. He started that mission. Clear. उसकी तांती meaning our tool. Our mission. Bajudi, rang. He started. Rang bell. Yes. Usne bede man se rui duni. With very happy man se rui duni. Clear? Rui duni. That word also you underline. Rui duni. रुई पीटने का दाटी यंत्र शुरू हो गया. रुई नेक्स्ट इसके बाद लो इसे आफ्टर वर्क गैवरिया टोल्ड लो इसे टेक दिस वन उसमें से दारू से आधा हाफ दुनिया ने ले लिया ही शी गव व्हाट शी टोल्ड मजदूरी के रूप में दैट शी गव और आधा गैवरिया ने हाफ शी टुक and half dunya do. Clear? Huh? But Raja didn't give Vedan nahi diya. Clear? Yes. Next. इससे उत्साहित गैवरा and गैवरिया एक कोरी के यहाँ गए. कोरी meaning सूद काटने वाला meaning spinner. You write that word itself. That is word. This word you study. Kori meaning any rough paper anywhere you write it. सूद काटने वाला meaning spinner. Yes, clear? इसके बाद कहाँ हम गया कोरी के पास इससे उत्साहित गैवरा गैवरिया एक कोरी के यहाँ गए और कहने लगा कोरी भैया इस दुनी रुई के सूद काट दो सूद काट दो सूद meaning yarn ARN काट meaning spin the yarn. Yes. Okay, finish. Did you write?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Okay, once more I will read. इससे उत्साहित गैवरा गैवरिया एक कोरी के यहाँ गए और कहने लगा कोरी भैया इस दुनी रुई से सूद काट दो कोरी की कमर meaning waist कमर meaning waist 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 in this one कमर झुकी हुई थी bend at which old man okay झुकी हुई meaning bent किसी को कारण से कोरी की कमर झुकी हुई थी that his condition that लेकर करता है that much poor people they are doing work for Raja but Raja didn't give proper salary. Clear? Yes. Next one. कोरी की कमर झुकी हुई थी उसने बदन meaning body बदन पर when will finish now
140
10 more minutes now yes other 7 students waiting room that's the one okay 5 more minutes we can take उसने बदन meaning मकले body बदन पर धची meaning is टुकड़ा piece आ गया his dress ആണ് she is telling धची meaning this one piece आया हो चुका एक गुस्सा ढाल दिया Kussa meaning oru blanket. Blanket. Kussa. Tukade blanket. Piece aaya blanket. So full hole aanu maybe. Huh? That much गरीब था. गुस्सा डाल रखा था. Yes. वह बेटी अनिच्छा से बोला. अनिच्छा meaning not life. अनिच्छा. इच्छा like अनिच्छा से बोली. तुम लोग यहाँ से भागते हो कि नहीं? हाँ. Are you ran away? Ran from where? Are you coming from where? That he asking. तुम लोग यहाँ से भागते हो कि नहीं? Yes. कहाँ से आता है? आप कहाँ से आता है? Yes. देखते नहीं. You can see. अभी मुझे राजा जी के अजकन के लिए. अजकन meaning कोट. अजकन के लिए सूद का देते के. Spin the thread. सूद का देता है अजकन के लिए. आप अंडरलाइन दैट वन. राजा जी के अजकन के लिए सूद का देते हैं. क्वेश्चन आंसर. हाँ. मुझे and he told मुझे फुर्सत meaning फुर्सत नहीं, not free. फुर्सत नहीं है. Not free. Not free. मुफ्त में मल्हार गाने की. So what is the meaning? मुफ्त अगर गल्ला गाने means I didn't sing. I have no time to sing a song. Means I didn't do my work without any salary. कोरी ने कहा. मुफ्त में मल्हार गाने की meaning. I have no time to sing the song. Yes. भैया इस मुल्क में सब काम. मुल्क meaning country. भैया इस मुल्क meaning country. सब काम all work राजा जी के लिए ही होती है. All are doing work for राजा. गबरिया अजरज से बोली. अजरज meaning हैरानी सरप्राइज. Yes. Next one. Yes. तू किस मुल्क से आई है? Are you coming from where? किस मुल्क which country से आई है? कोरी ने उसे बार आंख देखा. He look. जानती नहीं. You don't know. यहाँ का चलन. What is going on here? You don't know. हैं? कहाँ से तुम कहाँ से आती है? You don't know what is going on. यहाँ का चलन. What चलन meaning चलना. What is going on? Get मरे बर्धा बैठा घाय तुरंग. Yes. Get मरे बर्धा बैठा घाय तुरंग. What is that? मेहनत करे हम. I will write here. You write that. मेहनत करे हम. मेहनत करे हम. We are doing hard work. फल meaning benefit. फल खाए दूसरा. We are doing hard work, but benefits will get other persons. That is done. Good. मरे भरथा बैठा घाय तुरंग. बैठा घाय तुरंग. मेहनत करे हम फल खाए दूसरा. Clear now that sentence meaning? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Eh?
Yes, ma'am.
And next he is saying, underline that, ये हम सब काम राजा जी के नाम पर और सब काम राजा जी के नाम पर और राजा जी के लिए होता है. All काम doing for whom? राजा जी के लिए करता है. Yes. राजा जी के लुखुए भगुए भी. लुखुए भगुए meaning पीछे चलने वाला. पीछे चलने वाला. पेट पेट always. Yes. राजा जी के लुगुए बगुए. लुगुए बगुए पीछे चलने वाला. बी तो बेखुद के. So many peoples like that here. Okay, yes. इसी में उनका भी काम होता है. इसी में उनका भी काम होता है. All are doing duty for राजा. इसके पीछे चलने वाला लोगों also there. Clear? Next one. मुकरो मत. मुकरो मत meaning ऐसा मत कहो. Don't say like that. मुकरो मत. तो 3 minutes होलो ले. मुकरो मत भैया. हम तुम्हें माकूल. माकूल meaning suitable. माकूल meaning suitable. मुआवजा. मुआवजा meaning मजदूरी. उचित वेतन. मुआवजा meaning उचित वेतन. उचित वेतन. Okay. मुआवजा देंगे. I will give suitable वेतन और उचित वेतन. ऐसा मत कहो. I will give उचित वेतन. गवरिया बोल पड़ी. इसे काट दो. आधा तुम ले लो. आधा मैं ले. That is same condition he told here also. कोरी के साथ बोला. Okay. दुनिया के साथ क्या कहा? इसी तरह कोरी के साथ भी कहा. आधा तुम लो. आधा मैं ले लूंगी. Yes, enough. So, read the chapter very well up to there and write 6 question answer. Try to write that. Okay, so I will take attendance. Have you any doubt up to there, Makla? After that, after the chapter finish, now when we'll get a time, now reading we will conduct. That time once more we can revise. Anyone not clear now, we can clear that time also. Yes, okay. Reading test will conduct. But that time, sometime you didn't get it, will forgot or writing or not clear any portion is there. We can go slowly, I think. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Go faster. This much one. Slowly we can go now.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
This much enough now. If you study, she's short now. That much clear. Should clear. Okay. So we can go slowly. No problem. Adidev, Adigesh, sorry.
Present, ma'am.
Advaita Sanub,
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Alvin. Alvin. No. Anashwara Rajesh.
Present, ma'am.
Benedict. Benedict. Benedict, I saw next before this. Henin. Henin. No. Irene.
Present, ma'am.
Isha.
Present, ma'am.
Lakshmi.
Present, ma'am.
Salim. No. Suryadev.
Miss Malayalam.
Lakshmi Nandakumaro.
Ma'am Salim.
Lynette.
Present, ma'am.
Salim Malayalam, yes. Suryadev.
Present.
Tamanna. Tamanna.
Present, ma'am.
Next one, Adnan. Adnan M. Shahjahan.
Present.
Anugrah.
Present, ma'am.
Harsh. Hira.
Present, ma'am.
Nikhila. Rudra.
Ma'am, Nigila is present.
Nikhila, say present. You. Saiba. Alan Joy. Sorry. Alna. Alna.
I'm present.
Yes. Dion.
Absent, ma'am.
Abhinav.
Present.
He is present.
Which one connection, proper connection? If you are seeing their name, you say present, no problem. Jeevan.
Ma'am,
No.
Jeevan was there in the beginning. Then he left.
Gino.
No, ma'am.
Krishnaveni.
No, ma'am.
Prarthana. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Raulgar, I saw now.
Yes, ma'am. Rahul Gar is there.
Raulgar. Sarhad.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Shivanya. Yes. Shivananda.
Ma'am, Shivani. is absent.
Shivanand.
Shivanand. Present.
No, ma'am. Absent.
He is absent.
Steve.
Absent.
Yes. Alan Shaju. Adnan Shaj.
Ma'am, Adnan is present.
So, okay. So, read that chapter very well. Okay.
Thank
Yes,
you,
and
ma'am.
try to write that question answer.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
In any next portion question answer, I will send.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Say bye-bye.
Thank you,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.